Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Secure Folder and authenticating. This proves you own the content and prevents accidental exposure. Once unlocked, tap Gallery or Files inside Secure Folder to reveal the protected images. Make a quick decision now. Do you want to move these photos back to your normal gallery so they are accessible, or delete them permanently to free space and maintain privacy? Acting deliberately here avoids accidental permanent loss and keeps your phone organized. Next, long press one photo to enter multi-select mode so you can handle many files at once. This saves time and reduces repetitive taps. Once selected, tap the menu or More option. Choose Move out of Secure Folder or Copy if you want a device copy. Choose Delete if you want them gone. Make sure to read the confirmation. Moving preserves the image outside Secure Folder, while deleting may remove it permanently or send it to a secure folder trash depending on settings. Finally, verify your action by opening the regular Gallery or Files app to confirm moved photos appear where you expect them. Once satisfied, empty the Secure Folder trash or recycle bin to permanently free space and complete the removal. If a photo doesn't show up or deletion failed, restart the device, ensure Secure Folder has storage and file permissions, and check any cloud backup or Secure Folder trash. These steps usually reveal why an item didn't move or disappear as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.